In today's lecture, we will cover few string functions in the Python language. Python has a list of 40 string functions to perform different operations on textual data or string data. I will just touch few of them. If you want to see the example of all the whole list of function, their examples, you can either go to W3 Schools. Here is the list of all the 40 functions given along with their description, or you can go to a Python website, the Python documentation website, and you can see the list and their description there as well. So we will just quickly go to the code example. Here I have declared and initialized two string variables A and B and assigned the values as seen on the screen. Just for your knowledge, keep in mind that a string in Python is also a sequence. So it is just like a list, and all these string functions, they don't modify the original string. They create a new string after applying this function. So if you want to modify a string, let's say if I want to convert A to lowercase, simply writing A dot lower will not work. I will have to write A is equals to A dot lower. It means first convert the string A to lowercase. The lower function will return a new string after converting all the characters in the string A to lowercase. If I save the same string, the return string again to variable A, it means I have overwritten the original string. But otherwise, all the string functions return a new string after applying the whatever they are made for, like lower, upper, etc. So the first function is concatenation. So it's not a function, it's an operator. If you want to merge or join two strings, we will use the plus operator between the string variable names. So print A plus B will print International Islamic University. Convert to lowercase. Dot lower is the method. So if I want to convert all the characters of string A to lowercase, I will write A dot lower. If I want to convert all the characters of string B to lowercase, I will write B dot lower. Similarly, A dot upper to convert the string A into uppercase. Now, if I want to count how many times a certain character appears in a string, like A dot count I, it means count how many times the character I has appeared in string A. But keep in mind that this count function consider the case of variable I. So here I is small case, so it will only count the small i's in variable A. So it has 1. There is only one occurrence of small I in variable A, so the answer will be 1 instead of 2, because this I is uppercase. It will not take into consideration the capital I. Here I have done the same thing, but first of all I have converted A into lowercase, and then I have applied the count function on the returned lowercase string. So when all will be converted into lowercase, then there are two i's. The first I will also be in lowercase, this is also in lowercase, the answer should be 2. So the answer of this count should be 1, the answer of this count should be 2. Find function, we can pass any string to find function, and the find function will try to search this string inside this string. So in this example, the find function will find first occurrence of R in string A. So this is the first occurrence of R. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer should be 4. Keep in mind that numbering starts from 0 in Python. Replace, as the name says, replace function will find the first string in the string B and replace it with the second string, which means first of all it will search for this string university in string B. If this string is found, it will replace it with the second string, which is University Islamabad. Okay, the split function splits a string, and it splits a string by default on the basis of space, and it will create a new list, and it will store all the words in the initial string. It will add all the words in the initial string to that new array. So this b.separate function will separate the string in B, which is Islamic University, on the basis of space. So on the basis of space, it will be separated into two words, Islamic and University. Now these two words will be added into a new list, and that list will be returned. So after the execution of this line, the variable words will become a list, or will refer to a list, and that list will have two elements or two values in it. First one will be Islamic, second one will be University, and this print function will print that list returned by the split function. Join is the reverse of split. It takes a sequence and a sequence of strings, and it joins them. But before joining them, you have to tell it that what should be the joining string. So I want to join them using a space, so that they become a new sentence: today space weather space is space nice. So that's why I have declared a variable space and assigned a space string to it. If I want to join them using a hash or a comma, I can replace this space with a comma. Now this space dot join, see, space this variable dot join, it means we have to join these words or this sequence using this space, and it will return one single sequence or string. Let's execute and see the answers. So International Islamic University, the first answer is International Islamic University. Second is convert A into lowercase. So here is A into lowercase, then A into uppercase, this is A into uppercase. Count number of occurrences of character small I in A. So this was A, there is only one occurrence, so it is, the answer is 1. But if we convert A into lowercase and then count the number of occurrences of small I, the answer should be 2, because in this it is I is occurring 2 times. Find R, location of R. It is 4, we have counted it already. Replace University with University Islamabad. So B in B, the string is Islamic University. Now if we replace university with University Islamabad, the answer should be Islamic University Islamabad. So here is the answer. Now words are split. See, it has splitted this string on the base of space and created a list of splitted strings. So it means we should get a list containing two words, Islamic and University. Here are the two words inside a new list or sequence. Then the join function, join all the words in this list using a space. So space dot join words. Let's say, just for your let's say instead of space we want to join them using a comma. See the answer. Today, comma, whether, comma, is, comma. Nice. Now it has joined the words using whatever is in this string. Now let's take another example. Let's say I want to join them using these three dashes, or let's say I want to join them using space, hello, space. So see, today space hello, oh sorry, I want to make it a space. Today space hello space weather space hello space is. So in short, you have to give the list in which you that contains the word you want to join, and here you want in the second string should contain the characters or word that should be used to join all the words in this string, in this list. Let's revert back into space. So these are few most commonly used string functions. Just practice them, and I will recommend you to go to the either W3 Schools website or Python documentation site and see the list of other string functions and practice all the examples given on the website. Thank you.